All right, hello. Today we're here to talk about Consumer Law 101 for consumers or individuals, and it is why every consumer needs this course. Give you a quick hints, leads to higher credit scores, more credit deletions, industry secrets, and maybe even thousands of dollars to you. My name is attorney Aaron Swift. Let's get right into it. All right, I'll make you a bold promise. Learning the basics of credit reporting and how it intersects with consumer law will lead to higher credit scores, more deletions from your credit reports, and potential thousands of dollars in damages to you. Again, let me repeat that. Learning the basics of credit reporting and credit repair and how they intersect with these consumer laws will lead to higher credit scores, more deletions, and thousands of dollars in potential damages. All right, so who am I? My name is attorney Aaron Swift. I'm the CEO and managing partner of Swift Law North, a Washington, D.C. based national consumer protection law firm, and Swift Law PLLC, our flagship firm down in St. Petersburg, Florida. I have 15 years experience in this area of law, consumer protection, consumer laws, bankruptcy, talking again, 15 years expertise. And I'm going on 8 years with my own law firms. I have filed thousands of lawsuits against debt collectors, creditors, and the credit bureaus with a success rate of over 99%. And my passion in life is helping others, especially the little guy. I had a very difficult childhood, a lot of abuse, a lot of abandonment. And here I just want to help the little guy again fight back. That's what we're doing here. The most important thing for you to know, you have rights. Consumers have rights to fight back against debt collectors, creditors, and the credit bureaus. And critically, there is little to no risk if you end up in litigation because the bad guys or the defendants must pay your fees and costs, even if you lose, which is incredibly rare. All right, so let's talk about some secrets and important information you will learn. You will learn how to improve your credit scores using proven methods. You will no longer feel in over your head, and you will no longer bury your head in the sand. You will learn how to defend yourself and fight back against collectors and credit bureaus. You will learn the secret powers of two federal laws, the FDCPA and the FCRA, and the basics on what to do if you are sued for an old debt. And lastly, you will get lawyer drafted template letters. Using these templates that are again drafted by us lawyers will come with Pro Level 3 will lead to higher credit scores, more deletions, and potential life-changing money. All right, let's talk about the course in a nutshell. There's 3 levels. First is a basic level 1, and that teaches the basics of credit reports, credit scores, common myths and lies about credit reporting, and credit repair. That level 1 is 10 videos for a regular price of $100. Advanced level 2 teaches you the basics of the FDCPA and the FCRA. That's the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act and the Fair Credit Reporting Act. And you're going to use those laws to fight back. You're also going to learn the truth about terms like charge-off, 1099s, repos, and more. Level 2 is for the price of $200, regular price. And then lastly, the Pro Level 3, you're going to learn about amazing case examples, learn the basics of debt defense, and again, get access to our lawyer drafted FDCPA and FCRA template letters. And the Pro level comes with those letters and detailed instructions and a video with comments on exactly how to use them. Another important thing is each level comes with the videos and content of the level before it. So for $400 regular price total, you get everything from level 1, 2, and 3, all 30 videos, and the letters. All right, so let's talk about some questions and objections we get. We always hear, law is too complicated for me to learn. Nonsense. That is false. We designed Consumer Law 101 for consumer individuals to be for everyday consumer use. I go to great lengths to teach these issues and subjects in an easy to understand and digestible way, including PowerPoint presentations that come with every video that you can study and review. Number 2, we always hear, I know enough about credit repair from watching videos online. Well, again, that is nonsense and false. There are way too many so-called experts, charlatans, these people creating flashy videos and making wild promises and guarantees. Do not fall for these and do not accept these substitutes. Learn the basics of consumer law from an expert lawyer. And lastly, we hear, I don't have time to watch these videos and learn. Again, that's false. Each video ranges from 5 to 10 minutes only, and they can be watched at any time. Go at your own pace, and I promise you the content is worth your time. It could save you a lot of money and, again, even make you thousands of dollars. All right, so to sum up, again, my bold promise I'm going to make to you, consumer individuals, buying this course, watching this course, using its tools will lead to higher credit scores, more deletions, and just like the case example video in Pro Level 3 shows, maybe life-changing money. Your credit score, your credit report, it has everything to do with so many aspects of your life. Getting a job, getting loans, how much you pay. Please learn these basics. Learn to fight back against these debt collectors and the credit bureaus. For more information, visit consumerlaw101.com, and for litigation, visit swiftlawnorth.com. Thank you, and we'd love to hear from you.